Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Charge the bike GPS to at least 50% before you start pairing. Use the manufacturer cable and plug into a 5-volt USB charger for reliable power. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and keep the phone within 3 feet of the GPS. Press and hold the GPS power button for 3 seconds until the status LED blinks. Open the GPS settings menu and check firmware version. Update firmware if prompted to ensure compatibility and reduce pairing errors. Install the device app from your app store and create an account with email or phone. Open the app and sign in, then choose Add Device from the main menu. Select the exact model of your bike GPS to avoid mismatches. Follow the app prompts to pair via Bluetooth and confirm any 6-digit code if shown. Allow location, Bluetooth, and storage permissions to enable route downloads and live tracking. Wait until the app reports connected status before closing the app. Attach the GPS to the dedicated mount and tighten the mounting screw until snug and secure. Position the unit approximately 3.5 inches forward of the stem for clear visibility and minimal vibration. Confirm the unit has acquired satellite lock and that speed or cadence sensors are paired and reporting. Start a short test ride lasting 5 to 10 minutes and check live data, intervals, and turn-by-turn alerts. Sync a sample route and verify notifications, then tighten mounts and...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.